Rapid Dissent is a multimedia platform for millennial activists. Tech-savvy millennials use Rapid Dissent to interact with fellow users as well as grassroots organizers. Rapid Dissent is designed to grow social movements by supporting the key individuals involved in these movements. It allows activists to launch crowdfunding campaigns to support things like organizations that they are part of, raise funding for costs associated with travels to different demonstrations, or legal fees associated with civil disobedience. It also allows users to participate in citizen journalism by creating and sharing articles related to social activism. Other crowdfunding platforms are not curated for social activists, and many don't feature citizen journalism at all. Rapid Dissent benefits social movements by simplifying the concept of digital activism with a singular platform for users to provide financial support to different causes as well as become more informed about new causes taking place locally or across the world. With Rapid Dissent, you can utilize this platform to bring awareness or spark conversations about social issues that might not otherwise be covered in traditional media outlets. Rapid Dissent was developed to help nonprofit organizations and political advocacy groups to advertise and spread their mission as well. Rapid Dissent is a fully digital platform viewable on mobile devices or desktop. Our secret sauce is having a curated community of users that are motivated to spark progressive change around the world and who want to utilize modern-day digital tools to succeed with that.